Hey, so this is for my YouTube blog, and it's about apartment shopping and moving out of my parents' house and finally moving out and not getting my own apartment, but moving in with roommates. And I'm really excited to go on this journey. Right now it's October 18th, and I thought I would be out of my parents' house by September or around this time, but it's looking like it's gonna be about 2 to 3 more months, hopefully before the New Year's, even though it's gonna suck moving out in the cold weather. There's a lot of things up in the air, and I haven't really been filming any YouTube videos at all, and I haven't been filming much of this process, but I know I want to document some of it and put out a YouTube video. And I definitely want to get more into content creating and sharing my life once I'm in my new space. And I don't really feel like inspired to create in my room and in this household. And also I do want to invest into better equipment. So I've already looked at 3 apartments so far in the last month, and one is in the same city that I live in. It's a luxury apartment, but it's really tiny. The fees are okay, like the parking fees and the dog fees if I were to get a dog, but my roommate has a dog, so she would get it. She would have to pay the dog fee. It's not that expensive, it's not that bad, but it's annoying that there's car fees, parking fees, and there's dog fees to live somewhere. That's like charging someone a fee for like their baby, and it's like it's way too tiny and too pricey, even though the facility is really beautiful. It's like not worth it to me. It's so gray and it's so boxy and small, and it's still in the same city. I don't really like it that much. There's one, and then there's 2 of them that are closer to Boston in 2 different locations. One is in Chelsea and one is in Melrose. And I really love the Melrose one, but the fees are way more expensive if you want to park your car there or if you want to have a dog. But it's really close to public transportation, and I don't have a car, so that's super important because I don't know when I would get a car. And then the one in Chelsea is one that has the least like pros in terms of there's no roof deck and there's no like hosting space in the lobby. There's no grills, but it's the biggest, it's the cheapest, it's even closer to Boston than Melrose. And there's no parking fees and there's no dog fees, and there's a really okay gym with a sauna and a locker room. So I think that's pretty cool if I didn't want to go out to the gym. For the Chelsea one, we would have to come up with more upfront, and it feels a little bit rushed, and we're still saving money. This is just a little bit of my adulting journey and what I've been doing, and we'll see what happens. I'll try to capture more things on camera. So me and my roommate just signed our lease today. I was so nervous, and I knew she could tell that I was nervous, but I was also really excited because I've been wanting to do this for the past 4 or 5 years now. I'm 28 years old, almost 29. I'm gonna miss my family so much, but I'm literally 30 minutes down the street, and I need to do this. I need to move on with my life. I need to experience that independence, pay bills, you know, go through a little struggle, but enjoy my space and my own things. And I just can't wait. It's October 29th, Scorpio season, Friday night, and I just paid the first month's rent, but we're gonna move in December 3rd, 4th, that weekend. So here I am in my room, my messy, tiny little childhood room, and I am packing. I just want to get this over with. I still have 2 weeks until I move, but I just want to get started and not be stressed out. My mom was like, oh, I I can't believe you're going. I can't believe it's happening. Like really, really sad and emotional. But I'm like, just be happy for me. And my dad, like when he saw me bring in the boxes, he was like, wow, you're really doing this? And I'm like, yeah, I have 2 more weeks. So that's the update. And I'm ready, just ready for this new chapter to begin. Because I've been processing it and closing the door for a really long time. So I feel like I'm just ready to start my new chapter. So this is our apartment, and this was kind of the weekend from hell, but I'm so glad it's over. And I know it's something that everyone has to go through. There's so many moving pains, but I'm so excited to show you guys my new place and to make so much more content in this new place. I have so many ideas, but if you have any ideas, leave your suggestions down below. And this is my own bathroom, my own room. And I have also a really cute closet and it has really good space. I can't wait to furnish it. I'm going really slow with the bedroom furniture because moving out is so pricey and there's so many unforeseeable expenses. But I'm so excited. I'm so thankful my family helped me paint and that my dad helped me build my bed frame and my desk for my room. Super grateful about that. Then I got these beautiful kitchen appliances from our place. They were having Black Friday sales and I can't wait for my new pot to come in and my new chef's nice. And then this is a little bit of the progress. I have my cute little work from home station, my beautiful canopy bed frame and my cute bed, my new sheets from Home Goods, and I have everything in boxes because I still need to buy dressers and bookcase and vanities and everything. The bathroom is coming along so great. It's a little bit more white with clay accents. Let me know if you guys need to know where I got anything from because I'll let you know. Why do I have so many clothes and I feel like I never have anything to wear? Like this closet is already so full and I feel like I'm still always looking for things to wear and I always want to buy new things, but I have so much. Why are we like this?